Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of e-commerce SEO. Specifically how to optimize your product listings to rank higher in search engine results. For any online store owner, this is crucial for getting your product seen by the right people and ultimately boosting those sales. What is e-commerce SEO? Simply put, it's the process of optimizing your online store to improve its visibility in search engine results pages like Google Shopping or product searches. The higher you rank, the more likely potential customers will find your products. Keyword research, the foundation of SEO. Keyword research is the first step. These are the search terms people use to find products like yours. There are tons of free and paid tools available to help you uncover the most relevant keywords with high search volume and low competition. Pro tip, don't just stuff your listings with random keywords. Focus on using them naturally throughout your product descriptions and titles, while targeting long-tail keywords that are more specific to what people are searching for. Craft compelling product titles and descriptions. Think of your titles as headlines. They need to be clear, concise, and grab the viewer's attention. Include your main keyword at the beginning of the title, and keep it under 60 characters for optimal search results display. For descriptions, go beyond just listing features. Tell a story. Highlight the benefits of your product and how it will solve the customer's problem. Use strong calls to action to encourage viewers to click Add to Cart. Optimizing images is key. Don't underestimate the power of high-quality product images. They're often the first thing a customer sees, so make sure they're clear, well-lit, and showcase your product from all angles. Pro tip, include relevant keywords in your image file names and alt text descriptions. This helps search engines understand what the image is about and can improve your ranking. Leverage product reviews and ratings. Customer reviews and ratings are gold for SEO. Positive reviews build trust and credibility with potential buyers, and search engines also love them. Encourage your customers to leave reviews and respond to both positive and negative feedback in a professional manner. In conclusion, remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. By consistently implementing these strategies and monitoring your results, you'll gradually see your product listings climb the search engine ranks. Leave a comment below with any questions you have, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content on growing your online business.